Welcome to the AWS Infrastructure Calculator demo. This tool has two main sections, an input section and an output section. It helps you estimate the cost of your virtual machines based on your specific setup. Once you've selected your desired values and applied any discounts from your infrastructure provider, you'll see the costs for compute, storage, and networking. The system will recommend the most cost-effective options and show the required SKUs for your VMs. Let's walk through an example. I'll select the US East Virginia region with a desktop configuration of 2 CPUs and 8 GB of RAM. We'll choose an M5 node, non-persistent license type, and a VM disk size of 128 GB. Next, set the VM hours per month to 160 and the total number of VMs to 100. For this demo, we'll set discounts to 0. When we click Calculate, we'll see the costs for EC2 On Demand, EC2 1 year all up front, and EC2 3 year all up front. For Workspaces Core, we have both hourly and monthly costs. The pricing assumes 80 GB is allocated to the root and 50 GB to the user. Based on the 5 options, the lowest cost option is Workspaces Core Monthly. Here you'll see the AWS SKU, quantity, storage, and estimated cost for Workspaces Core. The lowest cost option is approximately $38 per month.